Hi, this is the video 15. Let's have a quiz to know whether you remember things in the previous video. So I also feel happy or thankful to your own hard working. So let's see. This is the first small quiz. Very easy. This one is very easy, very short too. And then you have an easy one and a hard one. Well, to be honest, the hard one is still very easy. So let's check it out. Each one we will listen to it 2 times, and then in the end we will listen to it all together, and I will give you the answer. Okay, so number. My age. It's a short form of this one is a bit tricky. Yeah, it's kind of soft. Let's increase the sound. Wow. Alright, so here we go again. My age. That's the short form. If you can't get it, you can go back to the video on number. The number second video. Alright, the last one. This one is also a short form. Okay, let's see the answer. Oops. Hey, this one. Alright. Yeah, that's my age. Okay, that's your age. Short form of 21. Yeah, 8 and 8. So 108. 108. Alright. So its short form is it is 85 baht sub. And then when it's become a short form, we speak faster, it's bam. Okay, so see other quizzes. Alright. Thank you for your time. I'll see you soon. Stay tuned for more.